name is Ridwan Lutan. I am from Mauritius. My son has been diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia. He's 4 years old. Currently, we're being treated here in Fortis Hospital with Dr. Vikas Dua, alongside with Dr. Mansi and Dr. Minakshi. They are doing a very awesome work for my son. He's now more stable than he was initially when we first diagnosed his disease. So his chemo is ongoing, and all I can say is that we are very lucky to have those doctors here for us to help my son recover the soreness. So I would like once again to thank all of them for the fabulous work they are doing here for us. Thank you very much.